Welcome back to this tutorial series. Of this video, I'll be going over location billing, which is located under the billing module tab. As you can see, once you've clicked on location billing, this will be the first screen you see, followed by this screen. This screen has different information that you can input into here. For example, if I were to click on this, it would fill this out. For the purposes of this video, I will be using the adding a new location billing located here. Once you've done that, as you can see, it will fill out the barest minimum. At the top left, you have a copy and paste, as well as a copy code. You have a spell check that will check for errors once you have finished using this. You have delete, which this would not be grayed out if I had actually input information inside of here. You have a new, and you have help. Help menu is, of course, video guides and PDFs. You have done and finalized. You can add this to the favorites, as you can see, and you can also look up, which I skipped earlier. If you, look up is a very useful tool. So if I click look up on location, we'll bring this up. When I mean on location, this little T-bar is here, and it will be different for billing type and different for disciplines. Or you could just click on the left button. First off, we have the local information for this patient. You can go to the location and simply choose an area code and the full name, as you can see. Then you have the bill type, as you can see. Of course, there can be a lot more than this. You have the discipline after that. Skip the start date, I'll go over that in a second. You have occupational therapy, physical therapy, and speech therapy. Go ahead and choose any of these. And the start date, to choose the start date, go to the right and click down this drop down box. You can choose different dates. After that, you have the user. I am an Americana developer, so if you were an assistant therapist, you click on here. And of course, there'll be a lot more. Right there. You also have notes, which you can edit at any time. Then you have billing information. After that, you have billing class. So you just click on billing class, and this will bring this up. You have also charge code, as you can see. Of course, at the top, you can look up different codes. Then we have the minute per bill, and the visit code. If this had visited before, there will be multiple codes inside of here, but for this patient, there's not. You also have the co-signer, so as long as I need to sign this, someone else could sign it too. For example, the assist. And that is all for this video.